Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a mask for a lot of problems, including itchy scalp, dry hair, flakes, dandruff, lice, all of that. So itchy scalp can be a result of a lot of causes, including dandruff, psoriasis, fungal infections, bacterial infections, or simply dryness. Dandruff is basically fungal infection that affects your scalp, mostly when there is a lot of sweat accumulation or dirt accumulation. Even during humid weather changes, you can get dandruff. So dandruff is something that can occur whether you have oily hair or dry hair. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a mask that can help you with all kind of scalp and hair issues, and which can help you have healthy scalp and hair. So to start off with the mask, the first and most important ingredient in here is coconut milk. Coconut milk has a lot of nourishing properties for your hair, skin, and overall health. So here I am extracting the coconut milk all by myself from the coconut fruit. So take some grated coconut, put a handful of grated coconut into a cotton towel, and then squeeze out the coconut milk. I'm just repeating it until I get a half cup of coconut milk right there. Coconut milk has antifungal properties, antibacterial properties, and also nourishing properties. The other ingredients are aloe vera and a lemon. Aloe vera too has a lot of nourishing properties for your hair and scalp. It is known to strengthen your hair and scalp and make it healthier. Since old times, aloe vera has been used on hair and scalp and skin for all known problems. And lemon, due to its acidic properties, helps fighting against fungal and bacterial infections, thus keeping your hair clean and healthy. So we will be using almost half a cup of aloe vera gel and a few drops of lemon. So to make the mask, add in the coconut milk, aloe vera gel, and a few drops of lemon into a blender and blend it really well. Make sure you blend the whole mixture really well so that no residue of the aloe vera gel or anything remains that can get stuck onto your hair later. I sweat a lot, because of which I get dandruff a lot more often. This mask can help you get rid of the dandruff for the time being. But of course, if you sweat a lot or if you create the right environment for its growth, then it's going to come back again. But don't worry much about it. Just do whatever you can do, that is keeping your hair and scalp clean, and maintain a good hair care routine. You can use the mask as it is, but I rather prefer it to be refrigerated and then use it. When you refrigerate, it's much less messier and it's much easier for the application. So once the mask is kept in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes, it gets a little bit hardened, and then using a few cotton pads, I'm going to apply it onto my head. So first I'll section my hair into two sides, and then folding the cotton pad, I'll take some of the mask onto the pad and then start applying it onto my scalp in sections. Always apply all kind of mask in sections onto your scalp. It will really help in reaching out to all the corners of your scalp. I'm just going to apply it onto all over my scalp. And whatever is left, I will be applying it onto my hair. This mask is really moisturizing and hydrating as it contains coconut milk and aloe vera. When you're using on your hair, always concentrate on the ends, because that is a part that is vulnerable to getting dried and split. So once I'm done applying all over my scalp and hair, I will do a quick 2-minute scalp massage. Always do a scalp massage after applying any kind of mask on your hair. It really helps in increasing the blood circulation and thus absorbing all the kind of nutrients that you have provided. Once I'm done, I'll quickly twist and put my hair up and then leave it there for about 30 minutes. And after that, I will wash my hair using my shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner that I'm using is the Treseme's Platinum Strength. As you guys can see, my scalp is really clean. You cannot see any kind of dry flakes or dandruff. If you're consistent with this mask, then I can promise you that you won't get any kind of scalp issues. And of course, for the hair, it is the raw result, you guys. I haven't applied anything, I haven't combed my hair. And as you guys can see, my hair is really smooth and is tangle free. So that's it, you guys. I hope this video was helpful for at least some of you. If it was, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you guys are new to my channel. All of the details will be down in the description box. That's it. Thank you for watching once again. Love you all. Bye.